Hello and welcome to Central Ohio Heaters. Thank you today for your interest in our CTB 200 multi-fuel waste oil boiler. Here, let's go. This has the new style CB 525 S2 swing out black 500 series burner. It's got the easy clean out door, 4 bolts around the door, opens this door up. We'll show you that in a minute. This is the new style meter pump, reconditioned meter pump for the CTB 200 coil tube boiler. On the back end here, it has another clean out door. This whole back end comes off with 4 bolts. Here's your main clean out. This will clean most of it out. This is your 8-inch exhaust. Here's your overheat switch. In the event of an overheat, it pops this button out and will not restart. Here's the high pressure, high temperature pop-off valve. This is the low water. Actually, it's a non-circulating paddle valve, paddle switch. If it's not circulating water, it shuts the system down. This here is a low water cutoff. Electronic with a self-cleaning probe, sits right in the water. Here's your temperature and pressure gauge. Shows the temperature of the water and the water pressure. This here is the Aqua Stat temperature control. Controls the temperature of the water all the time. This is your main junction box. A couple relays, very simple operation. Has the prime switch here on the end with a light. You put this up to prime your pump. When you get the pump primed up, all your air and water and dirt bled off. You put this down to run, then the burner's ready to go. The orange tail coming out here is what goes to run the pump on the tank. The purple tail is the 110 volt single phase power coming in. This is your thermostat wire. Refer to your clean burn manual on this. We just have an on-off switch on it right now. We'll show you inside of the boiler here how to clean the thing out. Then we'll fire it up for you in just a moment. This is the quick disconnect yellow tail. Inside here, this is a 4-pass boiler. Coil tube. Here's where the fire comes out of the burner. Shoots into the fire chamber here. Goes to the back towards the target. Comes on the bottom side of these coil tubes here. Heats that. Turns around, goes on the top side of the coil tubes. Goes clear to the back of the unit, goes down, comes out this way and out this way, and the 4th pass is back in this way to the stack. It's a nice coil tube, has a low stack temperature, easy to clean. Four bolts to close the door when you're done. That has a aluminum swing block so that you can swing this burner out. That hooks onto the burner. It's got swivels on it on the oil line. You do not have to disconnect anything. Bolts right to the side of the end door, and flexible air line. Run shop air right to the bottom of this block, and then that hooks up to the burner. Okay, we'll fire it up here for you in just a moment. This here, this is the inside of the burner. Got a low air switch, temperature control, a couple solenoids, the fan blower motor, the transformer with electric eye underneath. Comes back to the flame controller here to keep the oil flame controller running. Go to our CTB 5000 waste oil burner if you want the specifics on the burner itself. We have a detailed video on the burner itself. Okay, we're going to fire it up here and run the flame. Look here in the flame peephole. Nice bright white yellow crisp flame, soft gentle rolling flame. Our Details of our adjustment are on the other CB5000 video, the tutorial video on our website on the clean burn page. Right here is the adjustment for the air, rich and lean on the air. Up here is the adjustment on the compressed air pressure that adjusts the air pressure up and down the gauge here to make it so it's neither rich nor lean, so you get what is a good, nice, clean flame. Okay, the operation here, the power is coming in the thing in the power inlet cord where you're going to hook your wires up to this terminal strip here. It goes through the low water switch. If it's not low in water, then it comes back and goes through the low flow switch. If it's flowing good, then it comes back and it goes through the over temperature switch. If it's not overheated, then it comes back here and the red wire goes up in here to the tail to go run the burner. If everything's satisfied, you're ready to roll. And then the circulator here is going to pull water out of your building, go in the circulator, through a check valve, into the coil tube, comes out the coil tube up here, monitors the temperature, monitors the overpressure, monitors the low flow, and when it gets warm enough, this here switch here shuts the system down to keep it the right temperature. You need to refer to the clean burn book on the wiring of all that, and there's also a schematic on how to hook up the water lines here. This is where the water comes out and goes to your building, and that you want to run the boiler loop where it comes in here. Make sure that your water returning back to the boiler is 140 degrees. If you bring the water back here below 140 degrees, you'll get condensation inside the boiler because of the cold temperature. It'll be too cold. Take a look here at the stack. Look how nice and clean the stack burns. It's running right now. About all you hear is the whistle in the burner. Bring the camera up close here. Hear a little bit of whistle in the burner. Nice clean flame. Thank you today for your interest today in our CTB 200 waste oil boiler. Give us a call. We can ship it anywhere you want. California, providing maybe California doesn't do waste oil. I think California cannot accept waste oil boilers, but a lot of the other states it's okay. And we can ship it to Alaska or anywhere you want to go. We can ship it truck line, no problem. Give us a call, 330-674-0142. Or take a look at it on our website, centralohioheaters.com. Lots of other information, technical help. Give us a call. What can we do for you? Thank you.